Good day everyone. We are Team Guest Promotion from Mahatma Global Gateway, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. And this is our project Guest Control Wheelchair. I am Amrish.
I'm Vishnu.
I'm Ajay.
I'm Gauri. What is disability? Disability limits a person's ability to perform daily activities or interact with the environment. Physical disability affects movement, coordination, or mobility, causes accidents, illness, and etc. Examples: paralysis, limb loss, and etc. Support: medical care, assistive device, and inclusive environment helps individuals.
What is our project? Our project is a gesture control wheelchair. Purpose is to help individuals with leg disabilities to move independently. Control method. Control method is operated using simple hand gestures instead of joysticks or buttons. Technologies used: sensors, accelerometer, microcontroller, and wireless system for smooth control. Our goal is to improve mobility, independence, and safety for the users.
Key features: gesture-based control. The wheelchair responds to specific hand gestures instead of buttons or joysticks. Wireless operation. Movements are controlled wirelessly, allowing flexibility and comfort for users. Safety mechanism. Controlled and stable movement ensure user safety and prevents accidental motion. Compact and cost-effective design. Uses easily available electronic components to make sure affordability and accessibility.
The benefits of gesture control. Traditional electric wheelchairs can be difficult to operate for individuals with limited hand or arm mobility. A gesture control system provides a more accessible and intuitive way to control movement, improving user independence and comfort.
The methods used: gesture direction. The system directs hand gestures using an accelerometer sensor worn by the user. The sensor measures the tilt and direction of the hand movement, forward, backward, left, or right. The signal processing. The gesture data from the accelerometer is sent to a microcontroller, which is the Arduino Uno, which interprets the signals and determines the corresponding movement command for the wheelchair. Wireless communication. The processed signal is transmitted wirelessly from the hand module to the wheelchair using a RF module, allowing the user to control it remotely without physical connection. The technologies used: accelerometer sensor, microcontroller, wireless module, motor driver, DC motors, and the power supply unit, which is the battery, and emergency stop switch.
Results or outcomes. The gesture-based control system successfully moved the wheelchair in all four directions. The wireless communication between the hand module and the wheelchair worked effectively with minimal delay. The project demonstrated that gesture-based control can be a practical solution for people with severe mobility impairments. Overall, the prototype proved to be a cost-effective, user-friendly, and efficient for future development.
Thank you.
Thank you.